How to make iPhone full screen permanently. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your iPhone. The camera app allows you to capture high-quality photos and videos with a range of features. You can switch between modes like photo, video, and portrait, and adjust settings for the perfect shot. Once you are in the camera app, by default it will be in the photo mode. Tap on the upward-facing arrow at the top of the screen as shown. This reveals a menu of additional camera settings and tools at the bottom. From this menu, tap on the aspect ratio icon, which is typically labeled as 4:3 by default. A list of different aspect ratios will appear, including 4:3, square, and 16:9. Simply tap on your desired option, such as 16:9, to make full screen. Following these steps, you can easily make iPhone full screen permanently.